Hello, I'm Denis Pavlov, and I'm going to show you how to assemble Alu-Rain profile systems. Cut the sides of the frame at a 45-degree angle. Prepare the fasteners. Insert the connecting corner pieces into the slots in the profile and assemble 3 sides of the frame. Prepare the LED strip backlight set. Insert the LED strip into the slots in the frame. Cut the back wall from a PVC plate, acrylic glass for edge lighting, and an image printed on polystyrene. Insert the entire package into the frame. Install the 4th side and the lock springs on the frame. The frame is ready.